In this video, we're going to be talking about radical halogenation. So this entire video, we're going to use one example, and that is going to be the chlorination of methane. So looking at the reaction, we can see that we have methane here, and then we have our Cl2, and then we have light. So remember that light is necessary for homolytic cleavage, which is going to be part of the initiation step here. And this is going to produce methyl chloride. So you can see that's where the halogenation comes in. We turn methane into a methyl chloride, and then we also have HCl as a product. So this mechanism is interesting because it happens via a radical process. And that radical process has three main steps, or three main stages. The first stage is initiation, which is where we are creating the radicals. The next stage is propagation, and this is going to be a two-step stage, and the two steps are hydrogen abstraction and halogen abstraction. And then we have termination, which will be the termination of the radicals that we produce. So the first stage is going to be initiation, and this is going to be a homolytic cleavage. So we have our Cl2, our reagent right here, and we are going to homolytically cleave the bond, creating two chlorine radicals. And then the next step is propagation. And propagation is super important because this is the stage that will give us our two products. So the first step in propagation is going to be a hydrogen abstraction. So we have our methane here, and then we have our chlorine radical that we just produced. And the chlorine radical is going to abstract this hydrogen here, leaving behind a methyl radical. So now we have a methyl radical, and then we have hydrochloric acid, which is one of our products. The next step is a halogen abstraction. So we have our Cl2 here, and then that is going to create our methyl chloride here because the methyl radical is going to grab that chlorine, and then you're going to have chlorine left over. And so you can see here, this is also one of our other products. And you can see if you cross out things that are not the main products, they are on opposite sides of the reaction. So we can really cross all of these extra things out, and we're left with our net reaction of methane here, the Cl2, and then our two products. So the next stage is termination. And this is going to consist of three coupling steps, and this is how we just get rid of all of the radicals. So the first coupling step is going to be the coupling of the two chlorine radicals. The next one is going to be the coupling of the methyl radical and the chlorine radical. And then we have the coupling of two methyl radicals, and that just gets rid of any radicals that could have been produced or that were produced during this process. I hope you found this video to be really helpful. The concepts and information presented in these videos will be true no matter what Organic Chemistry 1 class you are taking. However, the concepts presented in this video are referencing material currently covered in Baylor University's coursework. Remember, if you are a currently enrolled Baylor student, we offer free tutoring services. Our tutoring center is located on the first floor of the Sid Richardson building. You will find all the details you need about these services on our website, www.baylor.edu/tutoring. You may schedule a free 30-minute one-on-one tutoring session online, or just drop in during any of our open business hours. For more information about our current services, please visit our website. Thank you.